When it comes to air travel, having a reliable carry-on bag is essential for every frequent flyer. But even if you are only an occasional traveler, having the right carry-on bag can make all the difference. It's not just about avoiding the hassle of checked baggage. It's about finding a carry-on bag that checks all the boxes in terms of capacity, maneuverability, durability, and design. With these criteria in mind, we set out on a mission to test more than 150 different means of transportation, from suitcases to duffel bags, weekend bags, backpacks, and underseat bags. We put them through rigorous testing, packing them, rotating them, lifting them over our heads, rolling them on various surfaces, and even hitting them with a baseball bat to simulate real-life scenarios. We have meticulously evaluated the results of these tests, as well as factors such as price, weight, dimensions, materials, and smart features, to identify the best competitors on the market. So if you're on the hunt for a new handbag, here are the best in the world of travel companionship, price performance-wise. But before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our travel tips and reviews. Alright, without further ado, let's start. Number 5, we have the Briggs & Riley Baseline Domestic Carry-On Expandable Upright. This suitcase stands out for its durability and spacious interior. The Briggs & Riley Baseline Domestic Carry-On Expandable Upright, a testament to craftsmanship, durability, and innovation. Made from ballistic nylon fabric with a VX variable expansion system, this carry-on suitcase offers unmatched durability and versatility. Its CX compression expansion system allows you to maximize packing capacity while keeping your belongings secure and wrinkle-free. The Briggs & Riley Baseline also features a built-in garment folder and tri-fold suitor for organized packing, along with a patented outsider handle for greater interior space and a flat packing surface. Plus, with its lifetime warranty, you can travel with confidence knowing that your investment is protected for life. Whether you're a frequent flyer or occasional traveler, the Briggs & Riley Baseline Domestic Carry-On is sure to exceed your expectations in terms of quality, performance, and longevity. Next up at number 4, we have the Travelpro Platinum Elite Expandable Spinner, designed to elevate your travel experience with its premium features. For travelers who demand nothing but the best, the Travelpro Platinum Elite Expandable Spinner is the ultimate choice. This premium carry-on suitcase is packed with features designed to enhance your travel experience and withstand the rigors of frequent flying. Constructed from high-density nylon fabric with DuraGuard coating, it's not only durable, but also resistant to stains and abrasions. The Travelpro Platinum Elite features a precision glide system with self-aligning magnetic wheels, ensuring effortless maneuverability in any direction. Its expandable design provides up to 2 inches of additional packing space, while the deluxe suitor keeps your garments wrinkle-free during transit. Plus, with its built-in USB port and dedicated power bank pocket, you can stay connected and powered up on the go. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, the Travelpro Platinum Elite Expandable Spinner is the epitome of luxury and functionality. In third place, we have the Samsonite Omni PC Hardside Spinner, known for its lightweight and durable design, perfect for frequent travelers. Renowned for its lightweight yet durable construction, the Samsonite Omni PC Hardside Spinner is a favorite among travelers worldwide. Crafted from 100% polycarbonate material, this spinner suitcase offers exceptional strength and impact resistance, making it ideal for frequent travelers. Its micro-diamond texture helps to minimize scratches and scuffs, ensuring that it looks as good as new trip after trip. The Samsonite Omni PC also features a spacious interior with cross straps and a mesh divider to keep your belongings organized and secure. With its smooth rolling spinner wheels and telescopic handle, navigating through busy airports and train stations is a breeze. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, the Samsonite Omni PC Hardside Spinner is sure to meet your needs with style and reliability. Taking the second spot is the Away the Carry-On, catering to those seeking style and functionality with its sleek design and innovative features. For travelers who demand style and functionality, the Away the Carry-On is the ultimate choice. With its sleek and minimalist design, durable construction, and thoughtful features, it's the epitome of modern travel luggage. The Away Carry-On is designed to make your journey as smooth and hassle-free as possible, with its integrated USB charging port, 360-degree spinner wheels, and compression system for maximizing packing space. Plus, its unbreakable polycarbonate shell ensures that your belongings stay safe and secure throughout your travels. While it may come at a slightly higher price point, the Away Carry-On's premium quality and innovative design make it a worthy investment for frequent flyers and style-conscious travelers alike. And finally, our number one pick, offering the best value for your money, is the Delsey Paris Helium Aero Hardside Spinner. This suitcase will surprise you with its affordable price and high-quality materials. Looking for the ultimate combination of affordability and performance in a carry-on luggage? Look no further than the Delsey Paris Helium Aero Hardside Spinner. This sleek and stylish spinner suitcase offers exceptional value for money without sacrificing quality or durability. Whether you're a budget-conscious traveler or simply seeking a reliable travel companion, the Delsey Paris Helium Aero delivers on both fronts. With its durable hardside construction, smooth rolling spinner wheels, and spacious interior, it's designed to meet the needs of modern travelers without breaking the bank. Plus, its TSA-approved combination lock provides added security for your peace of mind. Whether you're jetting off on a weekend getaway or embarking on an international adventure, the Delsey Paris Helium Aero Hardside Spinner is sure to impress.